Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with the Dewey. So today we are replacing a battery on a 2001 Toyota Tundra. It's been sitting here for a while and the battery doesn't hold a charge anymore, but I'm gonna go ahead and change it right now. Here's a step-by-step tutorial. Right. So the tool I'm gonna use is just a little adjustable crescent wrench. And we have a new battery for it. All right. Open your door and pop the hood right here. Alright, so this is a 2001. I did a grill swap on it years ago with a newer, or not really new, but like 2003 to 2005, I believe. Alright, let's see. So to open this hood, you look at this emblem, and then on the right hand side, there's a lever you pull. This hood hasn't been opened in a while, but do you see this lever? You pull this, and it pops it up. Alright, so there's the battery right there. All we're going to do is use a crescent wrench. And I like to undo the negative first. So loosen it. You don't have to take it all the way off. Just loosen it so the connector comes off. Same with this. Usually it's a 10mm bolt. Okay, so now we need to do the battery tie down. So I'm undoing the front one right here. And the back one, you can just lift it over. So you lift this up and then you slide the hook down. There you go. So you don't have to adjust the back one at all. There's the battery tie down. Lift this old battery out. Alright, we're putting in our new battery. And this battery is a little larger. It doesn't fit in the tray very well, but it'll have to do. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and see if our battery tie down fits correctly. Alright, battery tie down fits up. Okay. Alright, we don't want it too tight, just good enough so it's snug and it doesn't shift anywhere. Go ahead and remove the protective cover. Right, slide the positive terminal on. Not sure why that's loose, but go ahead and tighten it. Alright, so that one's on there good. Cover it with the little red protective cover. And then we're gonna put this back on. So remove this protective cover. And do one fluid motion with the negative. There we go. And basically you don't need any special tools, just a little crescent wrench, adjustable. Close up the hood and I think we're ready to go. Okay. Let's go ahead and test it. This work truck's pretty dirty. Been sitting here for a while. And so battery voltage shows up right there. Press the brake. And then now I'm going to rotate the key. It starts. Alright, well, I think we're good to go. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns regarding changing your battery on a 2001 to 2006 Toyota Tundra.